not fuck with me.
We're not doing anything to you.
I will be fucking.
Just relax, man. We're not doing anything
Do
to
not
you.
fuck with me.
On February 26, 2025, officers with the Sarasota Police Department responded to a Wawa after reports of a shirtless man screaming at customers, stealing chips, running around the store, and threatening to fight police during a tense standoff and full-blown meltdown.
The guy out there?
That looked to be aggressive for sure.
Yeah. Was he taking items? Did he steal anything?
Yeah, he stole some chips.
Did he walk out with them?
Yeah, he walked out front with them.
What do you want to do with him? Trespass him? What do you want to do?
I want to get him trespass. Honestly, I wish I could do more than that.
Just a bag of chips, stand 138.
What did I do?
You took a bag of chips.
Did I?
Yeah,
I
you were in
guarantee I paid it. I guarantee I got a guy.
Well, they're not pressing charges, but they're trespassing you.
I know they can't. They can't press charges when I got goddamn receipts for this
They're
motherfucker,
not
man.
pressing charges. They're not.
Then leave me the fuck alone.
They want you trespass.
Okay,
So,
then leave me the fuck
nothing
alone,
you can do about
man. I ain't do a fuck thing, man.
Yeah. Hey,
Please leave me the fuck alone.
listen, stop.
I got things going on.
Okay.
Please leave me the fuck alone, man.
We have things going on too. You work with us, we work with you. You have an ID on you.
Yeah, I
Where's
got
it
IDs. I got all kinds of
Where's
shit.
it at?
What do you want?
I just
Put
need
it in
your
my
ID.
pocket. That's right there, man.
She's got the gloves.
Man,
You mind
please
just
do that.
grabbing his ID? We're gonna get your ID, okay?
That's goddamn. That's my ankle monitor.
Oh. Where's your ID at?
Yeah,
Where's your ID at?
it's all there, man. I got
I'm
this
sticking my
shit.
hand in his pocket.
Okay.
The ankle monitor. Listen, man. Come
Let
on,
me-
man.
let me grab
Please
your
don't
name then.
fuck with me,
His
man.
last name's Taylor. Is it Chris? Is it Christopher?
Robert Taylor.
Oh, Robert Taylor.
Robert.
Right. Robert?
Please don't fuck with me, man.
Is it
Please
TAYLOR?
do not fuck with me.
We're not.
TAYLOR. Please do not fuck with me, man. I will fight you.
Hey,
Listen,
We're
please
gonna-
don't fuck with me,
we're
man.
gonna fight you too, and you're not gonna win.
Listen, I guarantee
Okay.
you I'll beat
What-
your motherfucking
what's-
ass. Do
what's
not
your-
fuck with me,
What's
man.
your birthday?
I guarantee you ain't that bitch in here beat me, bro. We
Perfect.
put this shit out there on the floor right
Okay.
now. I guarantee you ain't
Listen.
that bitch in here beat
Okay,
me,
listen.
bro.
They want you trespassed, so just don't come
That's
back here for a year.
fine.
All right?
That's fine. I will
Alright.
never come back.
Okay.
Please don't fuck with me.
All right. Well, let us do our thing.
I will beat some shit.
All right. Well, let us
You
do our
don't know
thing,
who
and
the
then.
fuck I...
Yeah, he give you a
Come on, don't
Yeah.
fuck with me, man. I don't give a damn. Listen, man.
Bro, did you take anything at all?
No.
No. I'm just asking.
I paid for everything. I got receipts in my
No.
pockets. I got
I'm
all
not-
that shit.
I'm not talking about that.
Listen,
I'm talking
between
about-
my pocket and everything.
Did you use any drugs? Did you do anything?
Listen, I got everything in my pocket.
Okay. They're not worried
It
about the bag
ain't
of
about
chips.
that, man.
They're not worried about the bag
It
of
ain't
chips.
about that, and I'm telling you, it ain't about that.
So what is it
Whether
about?
I did anything, it's not about that.
Okay.
Please do not
They don't
fuck
want you
with
back.
me, man. I'm telling you why she's holding me. If I fucking go to fucking get aggravated and I go to fucking problem, I'm telling you right now, if you fucking got a problem, I will lay any bitch down in front of my face. I don't know whether it's you, him, I don't give a fuck who it is. When I go to snap, ain't that bitch in here gonna fuck with me. I know how to break you, I know how to bend you, I know how to do all that shit. I know all that
I'm
shit.
sure you do.
Do
Just
not
stop.
fuck with me.
Just stop, bro.
I'm telling you.
We're standing here.
I'm asking
We're
you.
standing here.
Please
You're
do
not in
not
control.
fuck with me.
You're not in control. Stop.
Do not fuck
Stop.
with me.
We're
I
not
know you're
doing-
police. I know who the fuck you is. Do not fuck with me.
We're not doing anything to you.
I
Just
will
relax.
be fucking
Just relax,
bro.
man. We're not doing
Do
anything
not
to you.
fuck with me, bro.
Okay.
I'm asking you.
I'm asking you to stop. Right now.
Ask me to stop. Do not fuck with me, boy. I'm showing you.
Listen, man.
I'm telling you.
Stop.
And that's
You're
my
gonna-
goddamn
you're gonna-
part right
you're gonna
there.
end up
Do
going to jail.
not fuck around,
You're
bro.
going to end up going to jail.
I
Stop.
will show you. Jail?
Yes.
I guarantee I'll show them too. I'm just showing you.
You're a fully capable man, right? You think you can beat him up right now?
Yeah.
Do you think
I
that he
know I
may be
can.
able to do that to you?
What?
That he may be able to hurt you?
You wanna play?
Okay, that's assault, man.
I got my hands back
You
me
go to
too,
jail
man.
right now.
Can we please? You wanna play?
I got my
You
hands
wanna
behind
play?
me too. Like I pretend I'm in
Listen,
handcuffs.
there's a grid out there. Will you play with me?
Play with you?
Would
No,
you
I
like
don't want
to?
to play with you.
Is he bothering
Would
you?
you like to?
Is he bothering you?
I never did anything.
You're a
to you,
rascal.
did I?
Okay. That's good enough for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did I do to the man?
Get in the back.
Ass-
Come on.
I
didn't know.
How did that arrive?
You're on probation, right? So you have to submit to a search, okay?
Thank you.
So,
I got 2 hands on the. What did I do?
I got an extra crayon in my pocket.
where's it at? Left?
Can we please get this shit done?
I know, man. We're gonna. Promise.
I'm sorry.
Sure.
I'm sorry to put y'all through this shit. I ain't do nothing. What did I do, man?
Huh?
What did I do?
I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on with you.
Right?
You have a Game
How
Boy?
my family does.
There's an ankle monitor, yes. So he's probably gonna violate his probation right now.
I ain't even do nothing, shit. Guess what? What did I do?
He'll explain everything.
What
to you.
am I
He'll explain-
arrest? How the fuck can you put
She'll
me in the
cover
car?
it. She'll cover it.
Yes, man. I will shit.
You want to bring them a little bit more this way?
What's that?
You want to bring them that way so I can put his stuff on the hood if we need to?
Walk this way, man.
We're gonna walk your
How
hood up
can
here.
you even fucking arrest me or say anything to me?
Chill right here, okay? Lean against the car. Nice and comfortable, alright?
What did I do?
What's that? Hang on, I can't hear you.
What did I do?
We'll explain everything.
Yeah, I bet.
10 seconds.
Switch.
Whatever you said I did. Okay. I love you.
Just your wallet and stuff in here and headphones.
When you met, what did I do? I have no reason to be sitting here going through this. So you have no right to do it. And I guarantee you, I got a law that said you have no right to do this. So please leave me the fuck alone. Let me go, please.
Alright, I'm gonna put you in the car, okay?
Double up.
How the fuck? What am I arrested for?
You got him?
You want to double them up?
Yeah. No, I did not double up.
Oh.
What did I do? I'm getting arrested again. What did I do? I love you, bro. Can you please tell me my charge? What did I do?
Disorderly conduct. Yeah, bro. I tried to help you, man. I tried to.
Did you?
Yeah, I was trying to. They wanted you trespassed.
Stop lying.
I swear to God.
Stop fucking. Stop fucking.
I was trying to help you the entire
Are
time.
you trying to help me?
Yeah.
Really?
I'm not even gonna violate you.
Bro, I got this thing on my head.
I'm not.
What the fuck did I do, bro?
Come on. That has nothing to do with this.
Really?
No, that's something else.
Really?
Not from this.
Why the fuck you gonna sit here and tell me you ain't gonna lie to me and all that shit?
Come on, bro.
Bro, can you please explain to me?
Yeah.
Why the fuck you lying in my face right
No
now?
one's lying.
Okay. I guarantee you, all that shit on your chest, I guarantee you I sit there and put that shit down. Why you lying to me, bro? Why? You know damn right well. I sit there in your face and not lie to you, bro.
I'm not lying.
I'm lying. I'm not lying to you. Will you fucking please not lie to my face?
In the end, Taylor was arrested for disorderly conduct and transported to the Sarasota County Jail. Oh boy. You think threatening to fight cops shirtless outside a Wawa was a good idea? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for educational and documentary purposes only.